Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I'm going to be showing you guys some new products I got from GLAMNETIC. I'm super excited to be trying these lashes with you guys, and also we got press-on nails, y'all. So this is going to be a really fun tutorial. Have some fun doing some unboxing and see how to use these products. If you guys are interested in seeing more about GLAMNETIC products, simply stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, comment below, let me know what you're going to get. I got a code for you, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you for your support, thank you for watching, and let's get started. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get into our GLAMNETIC goodies. I'm so excited. So one thing about this company that I love, that it is women owned, and so that is a plus for me. I always want to support my women, I always want to support minorities, women of color, so I'm so excited to be trying this out. The products we got today, first of all, look at the envelope that it comes in. It's super cute. And then let's go ahead and take out the goodies, y'all. Okay, so we got 3 pairs of lashes. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the lashes, of course, close up after. We also got the lash grab, which we use to apply the lashes. This is the lash liner that we use, that's going to be to adhere the lashes. And we have press-on nails. You guys, look at how pretty these nails are. I know you guys can see which one we'll be putting on today based off of the outfit and the eye look, but I think that both of these nails are super cute. I'll be sure to show you guys closer because I know the light is bouncing off a little, but yes, they also have press-on nails. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the lashes, and we'll pick the one we're going to wear for today. This one is called Birthday Bish. One time for the Birthday Bish. Hey, okay. And this is the packaging. It's so super nice. It says GLAMNETIC on the case. Very sturdy. And it says Birthday Bish. Okay. Oh, look at this. Even the thing that pulls out right here is sparkly. So there's little details, if you look at the packaging, that they really took their time on. So here we are, you guys. This is how they come out. Just like that. And let me give you a closer look. Hey, the light kind of dances off of it, makes it hard to see. Let me see if I pull it all the way out, how you can see. Can you guys see that? So these are Birthday Bish. Really cute. So that is what the lash looks like. It's a beautiful lash. It starts small here and it flares out here. It goes all the way across. These are beautiful. We might be going with these. We might. Let's go ahead and try the other ones first. So that's a Birthday Bish. Next we have Bombshell. Here's Bombshell, you can see that. I'm going to take it out, of course, so you can see it more. But this is a beautiful lash as well. This one is more wispy than the other one. The other one more, I think it's like for like a smoky eye, and this one is more of a wispy one. So this is how this lash looks. This is Bombshell. As you can see, it's really wispy. Next we have Lush. And Lush doesn't have a window, so this will be my first time seeing Lush also. So I think we're gonna do Lush. Lush is beautiful. Look at this lash. It is very wispy. Such a beautiful lash. I love a wispy lash. I love actually all 3 of the lashes. They're both dramatic like I like, and they're all beautiful, but this one I think is gonna go gorgeous with this look. So let's get to applying, you guys. I'm really excited. Okay, and then the message inside, it has little messages inside. It says, lashes so long I can't see my haters. Okay, lashes so long I can't see my haters. Look at how beautiful these lashes are. The boxes are really good quality. This is the GLAMNETIC liner. How to apply: shake well before each use. The eye brush tip along the upper lash line only, making an even line as thick as the lash magnets. For optimal results, apply GLAMNETIC lashes onto liner once 80% dry. Do not use liner on waterline or a lower lash. Okay, and you use waterproof makeup remover to remove it. So look at how nice the packaging is on this liner. So beautiful. I love the holographic look, just like on the envelope. And it has like a design that says GLAMNETIC on it. So let's go ahead and apply these lashes, y'all. I'm just like ready. I'm excited. I'm excited. So this is really nice. This is a lash grab. It comes in this package here. Look at how beautiful this is. More holographic, which is super cute. And this is a lash grab. It's so cute. You know, we always love a good pink, and it has a little comb here, which is really, really nice. You can see that. That's a comb. And then you have the lash grab on the other end. So that is really, really nice. I'm sure that's to comb the lashes with your lashes so that they look nice and natural. So there's a little tip on here. I'm going to take that off. This pink is so cute. I love a good pink. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and apply these lashes now, you guys. I'm so excited. I've never done the magnetic lashes, so this will be my first time. The liner looks like it has a good little brush to it for you to apply and be able to get a good line for the liner. And here we are. Okay. This applicator is super nice. Did you guys see how easy I was able to do that liner? That is amazing. Look at how beautiful that wing is. It's super, super nice. I'm super excited about trying on this lash. That liner went on so good. And I only used one coat to get all of that liner on. Now while I give that a second to dry, let's put on a little mascara. Hold your mirror down here and look up. Look down. And apply your lash. Nice. I'm gonna use this little comb. Pinch it together here. That is nice. No more worrying about this inner corner poking up. You know, when you do your lashes with the regular lash glue, the inner corner can stick up sometimes and you have to add glue and keep on messing with it, but this actually is really holding down. Look at this. You see that? That is holding it down, y'all. That is beautiful. I love it. Ooh, and this lash is gorgeous. I've seen a lot of magnetic lashes, but usually the lash styles are not what I like. They're more natural, but this is what I'm talking about. This is gorgeous. I would absolutely do this again. This is so beautiful. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. All right, beauties, these lashes are so beautiful. I absolutely love them. Look at how much they amped up my look. I came in with no lashes because I wanted you guys to see how much of a difference lashes make. Lashes are everything. It takes your normal looking look and brings it up and just amps it up. And this is just giving me life. It's so beautiful. I wanted to do a beautiful spring look for these, just to display these lashes for you guys. And look at how easy, like, you just put the lashes on with this little thing here. This is the lash grab. Look at that. And it just puts them right on. They are not going anywhere once you put them on. I'm pulling, as you can see. They're not going anywhere, and that's including the front. It's not going anywhere. I absolutely love this. Let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling it? These lashes are so beautiful. Once again, these are the Lush lashes here. And this is the lashes close up. So beautiful, so beautiful. I highly recommend you guys get these lashes. They are giving. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we'll start to go into these nails. All right, beauty, so we finished the look. Look at how beautiful. Oh, this look is so gorgeous. We got it finished off. We did the highlight and added our lips, and this is just so gorgeous with these lashes. The lashes just completed everything and just made everything come together so beautifully. GLAMNETIC Lush lashes, yes honey, and they're so comfortable. That's one thing I have to tell you. It's so comfortable and light. Like normally a lash that's this full would feel like a little heavy, but this is so light. I'm not like blinking over and over. It is beautiful, full and light, and they are not moving. They are not budging. GLAMNETIC is onto something here. I'm here for it. Now we're about to go into these GLAMNETIC nails because we need to finish the look. Now that we got the face looking nice, we're gonna go ahead and go into these beautiful purple nails. Now I don't know if you can see it with the reflect, but I'm gonna go ahead and open them so you can see, and we're gonna put them on. These are called Purple Power, baby. Purple is my favorite color, okay? And these are the nails, you guys. Are so freaking beautiful. It is bouncing, the light is bouncing off of the packaging, which is very beautiful. It is a, it has the holographic look. And so I'm gonna show you the nails now. Can you see them? Now with the GLAMNETIC nail kit, these are the other nails you get. Then you get these, of course, which are like the ones that are on the display. And then you get this alcohol pad that you put for your nails. You get a buffer that's going to be for you to buffer your nails. Okay, a cuticle pusher and the nail glue. So you get your alcohol swab, cuticle pusher, nail glue. Reusable press-on nails. Oh, they're reusable, you guys. So that is awesome. The packaging is so pretty. It's just beautiful. Lilac purple. And it includes 30 nails, your nail glue, your nail file, cuticle stick, and alcohol pad. For the directions, remove any previously applied nail polish, wash and dry hands, push back cuticles. So let's work on pushing back our cuticles. This is what the cuticle, this is what it looks like for you to push the cuticles back. I already just washed my hands, so we're going to just start to push that back, just like that. This is really essential to your nails looking like natural, like you got like a real set, is when your cuticles are pushed back. So it's really, really important you do this. So this is one hand with my cuticles pushed back. You can see that. We still have to do the foul, but that's the cuticles pushed back. I'm going to do the other hand really quickly. Now I'm going to use the nail file, and I'm going to just make sure that the nails are nice and rough for the glue to stick to. Now we're going to get our alcohol pad, and we're going to dry our nails out. These are the perfect length of how I like my nails. I'm so excited. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on using the GLAMNETIC lashes. These lashes are bomb. The liner I like because it mattifies. So some liners are glossy. I hate a glossy liner. I hate with a passion a glossy liner. And this liner is not glossy. It has a really nice applicator, so you can get a really good wing with it. And as you can see, the lashes are not going anywhere. The corners are intact. So I absolutely love this new technology with the magnets, because prior to this, I never really tried them because all of the lash styles that I saw in magnetic lashes were like too skinny for me. I like a drama lash, and this lash is giving all the drama. So I highly suggest if you have issues putting on lashes, if you're a beginner, or even if you are a pro, because I am and I still love this technology, I would definitely try this out. The lashes are reusable, and the liner has a lot of product in it, so it's going to last you for a long time. The nails are so cute. The quality is so good. As you can see, they're not like super thin and see-through, and it looks like I went to the shop and got a full set. That's how good they look. They feel really, really secure, like they're not going to just pop off. As you can see, I'm pushing and nothing is happening. I'm digging into my hand. They're not moving. So I highly suggest you guys get your hands on these GLAMNETIC lashes and nails, because spring is here and they're trying to get you right, okay? I do have a code that's going to be listed in my description for you to be able to get 15% off if you do decide to get any of these products. And if you do get any of the products, make sure to comment below and let me know what you get. Also, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite product. Did you like these purple nails? Did you like the brown ones? And which lash was your favorite? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a wonderful day. Oh, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.